Being productive is about executing, and executing requires having the right resources even before you start. And today I'm going to share a resource with you that will help you in the new year. And it is about helping you achieve your goals with confidence. Setting goals is great, but it's really about executing to achieve them. That's a whole different matter. The goal setting and leadership books to achieve goals in 2025 is a curated list of 12 books and 2 planners for you to use in the coming year. These are books that I read and return to time after time. And today I want to share with you how to get that list. And here's how you do it. On florencedonald.live, just go to the site, go to the top and pick free download. Yes, free 99. Choose the list. You'll see it right there. And then click Get Now on the page that comes up. Complete the information that's requested, and then it'll take you to download the list. This is now also on the same page. You have a companion, the Book Nook. Use it to order these books and other books from Amazon. Just so you know, when you purchase the books from Amazon through the Book Nook, you are supporting the channel. These are affiliate links. So now that you have this resource of 12 books for each month, you can get more details about how to set goals and align them with your core values in the video that'll be right here. Hey, go ahead and go over there. I'll see you there. And here's to your productive best.